S&P 500 trade setups for today. So firstly, on the daily, we are pretty much back into what has been going on for quite some time, which is up, down, and range bound. Okay, so you can see there was an area of range bound trading. There was an area of range bound trading. And if you look now, we've got this very small range bound over the last 4 days. Okay, the interesting thing is that it is at a level. Okay, there it is there. Just do that, leave that. So we are at a level. Here's my previous swing low. We've broken above it. We've broken above it here as well. And this is just a matter of time before this gap closes. Okay, that is what's building here. This thing is trending up. We are in a range, yes, but that range at the moment is pretty much, as far as I'm concerned, gathering steam for moves the upside. Now, the last couple of days, it has been barbed wire, in other words, complete confusion. So Thursday and Friday was complete confusion. Asian session so far has started off with a pretty much bearish bar. Just want to point out something, that this gap is still open. Okay, this gap has not closed, so it wouldn't surprise me to see this come back down to the downside here. And then in saying that, there is another little area which I would definitely love to be getting in long on, and that would be 3180. Okay, so what I'm looking for, and this just gives you even better picture of how messy it's been. So I think this move down, you probably find a second move down, more than likely close this gap to start with, possibly just come deeper down to find some support, and then the bulls start building their positions together to attempt another break through this level and hold. Okay, so that's kind of the trade that I'm looking at the moment. I'm not looking at shorts on this at all. I'm just looking for opportunities to buy. If we just quickly swing across to the weekly here, and let's just get rid of all that noise. So you can see weekly level, sort of closed on it, closed above it, hard to ascertain. But I think the point is move up, retracement. We've broken through the moving average, came back, tested the moving average, we're now moving up. This is an upward trend, and that is your target area right there. Okay, and after that, if we get through that gap, then you can expect the all-time highs, and then probably new all-time highs brewing. Okay, so your opportunities to buy are not going to be few and far between, but you need to be patient and you need to wait for it. And the first one is definitely around this gap here. Okay, I'll be switching to the 15-minute when it gets down here just to check. It may just pop through there, just to there'll be some ambush play over there just to drop it down a bit further. And the next level of support is 3175. And what you want to do is just get onto your 3 or 4 hour charts, and then you'll see the area of support. There's one right there, and there's one right there. Okay, so it's a pretty strong zone of support. So the first one is the gap, 3192, and then you have 3183, you have 3179, and you have 3175. So pretty much how I'm going to play this is wait at these areas. I'll go in with a relatively small position because stop area needs to be far away. At this stage, it needs to be below 3128. So whatever position we get in here, relatively small position so that my overall risk is less than 1%. If it drops a little bit further, that's fine. Start bouncing around in here and start building higher lows here. I move my stop up to that area, which frees up capital and allows me to go in, add to my position, and then probably get to a full-size position by the time it breaks through all these levels. Okay, then that's just assuming that we do break down here. We may just stay right where we are on this weekly level of 3213 and bounce off here, which is also possible because if you look at the buyers there, the buyers have been scaling in this area. Okay, anyway, I'm looking for longs. Whether it's in this area or further down, I'm not particularly worried. We will be back onto the 15-minute chart and looking for opportunities on the 15-minute chart. And you can see already We've got inside bars, we've got pin bars, we've got a tweezer bottom brewing here, potentially a double bottom in the making here. So we'll have to wait and see what Europe brings. But that's what I'm looking for. Definitely looking for longs off one of these levels. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps. And keep your eye on the Telegram channel. If I see something that I'm taking, I will post it on the Telegram channel today. And you'll know what I'm doing. Anyway, hope it helps. And we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.